Before we start, let me guys ask you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also leave the comment if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Hey folks, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my YouTube channel Czechoslovak Gun Stories. My name is Kuba, and in today's episode we'll have a look at a very special prototype, a PPK-ish variant of the CZ50/70 pistol. At first glance, you may confuse it with the original CZ70 based on the upgraded grips. But if you focus on the slide, you find out it is shorter. Actually, this is a semi-compact version of the gun, something like Glock 19X before it was cool, or to be closer in terms of what it is, Walther PPK/E. The prototype was designed in 1975 by the CZ factory in Uherský Brod and was internally called VZ80. The idea was to offer a more compact, lighter version for both police use in the former Czechoslovakia as well as for a possible export. Obviously, it never went anywhere. Let's have a look at the key differences, as there is more than what meets the eye. First thing is the slide, the barrel, and the recoil spring. All these were just shortened, no further changes there. The frame, however, bears a few more tweaks to the original. The decocking lever changed its shape compared to the original handgun, although it operates quite the same. One of the biggest pains of the good old CZ50 and 70 was its L-shaped extractor/slide lock, which was simplified here, using a torsion spring instead of a coil spring. Last but not least, there is the most interesting change, the disassembly button. It is now gone, being replaced by the MB tabs. They may look similar to what we know very well these days from modern 9mm handguns, but they are not spring-loaded. You just pull them down and proceed with the disassembly just like you are used to in case of the CZ50 and 70 handguns. All the other specs and features remain unchanged. As we mentioned, this gun was actually designed in 1975, but we all know what was introduced in 1975 at the same factory. This kind of wraps up the story of the VZ80 prototype. All in all, I have to say that this gun sits nicely in the hand. It's actually a nice upgrade to the original CZ50 and 70 handgun, and it is a shame that it never went into serial production. Maybe if the lower was made from alloy, it would be even more practical than the original handgun. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you have, please let me know down there in the comment section. That also applies to any questions you might have regarding Czechoslovak firearms. I'll also be very glad if you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That helps me to grow it even further. So thank you, and until next time.